It's time for another episode of FAQ Friday, and today's question is: how can I optimize my webshop for mobile commerce? According to Shopify, 67% of sales on Cyber Monday in 2020 were made on mobile devices. So a mobile strategy has never been more critical. Yet, many stores fail to deliver a good experience on a mobile device. So here are a few quick tips. The first one is to make sure your page loads quickly. 40% of shoppers will abandon their carts if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. And since data speed can differ between your desktop and your mobile experience, you should pay extra attention to this, because conversion rates drop significantly with every second it takes to load your webshop. And then another one is optimize the user experience. A mobile page must be lighter, faster, and more intuitive. And there are different design elements that you can add to make it easier for your customers to browse through products and to buy stuff. An example is a straightforward top navigation menu or additional search box. Another one is adding clear call to actions. So your e-commerce site on the mobile device is competing with a lot of distractions and notifications. So adding bold and concise CTAs or easy to click buttons can already do wonders. And the last one is shorten the path to purchase. A classic example is Amazon's one-click buying, where customers can simply check out from a product page. So it's all about making the experience faster and more intuitive. And that's that for this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment and perhaps your question will be next week's topic.